Brianna, do you know that there is Whoa! How did that happen? Guys, we just had an earthquake. That was a 1.50. Whoa! It was caught on camera. So Brianna, what do you have to say about that? Were you really like frightened when it happened?
Oh my goodness.
Did you feel the earth shake?
Pero ella está bien, y tú le vas a gritar ahora.
Ella siempre hace eso.
Pero tú ella está bien, pero
But Juan is nervous right now. He wants to run away because his speaker fell.
Eso es Beto.
Tú eres de Cacahuete, ella está bien.
Ella está bien, tú no le dices la cara.
Imagínate sin música.
Why?